The following message is transmitted at the request of the Pulaski County, Arkansas Office of Emergency Management. A 911 telephone outage was reported in the city of Little Rock after an overload of calls were reporting symptoms of coughing, fever, shortness of breath, and sneezing. If you are reporting these symptoms, see your doctor immediately. Otherwise, you are to contact your local fire department, police department, or hospital. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Pulaski County, Arkansas Office of Emergency Management. Avoid the Walmart Supercenter on 700 Bowman Road. At approximately 4:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time, law enforcement responded to reports of unruly behavior by civilians in mass numbers, such as fights and destruction of property. This is believed to be in response of the initial cases of COVID-19 being diagnosed in the state of Arkansas. Panic buying has been reported in numerous areas across the state. Do not panic buy. Panic buying will only worsen the situation as you are likely to make others panic.
Employees, as permitted by their department directors, will be allowed to work remotely. The City of Little Rock will also implement a nightly, citywide curfew from midnight until 5 a.m., effective Wednesday morning, 12 a.m., March the 18th until 5 a.m. I also want to stress
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Arkansas Division of Emergency Management in conjunction with the Arkansas Department of Health. This is a statewide shelter-in-place order issued by Governor Asa Hutchinson. As of 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time, there are now 104 cases of COVID-19 across the state of Arkansas in these areas as follows: Bentonville. 1 new case reported, Conway. 7 new cases reported, Fayetteville. 15 new cases reported, Fort Smith. 21 new cases reported, Little Rock. 32 new cases reported, Pine Bluff. 2 new cases reported, Searcy. 1 new case reported, Texarkana. 3 new cases reported. This virus has already claimed the lives of 80 across the United States, and the death toll is expected to increase in the next 48 to 72 hours. It is believed that this virus is airborne. Symptoms of this virus include, but are not limited to, coughing, fever, pneumonia, shortness of breath, and sneezing. As a result, Governor Asa Hutchinson has ordered a statewide shutdown of public schools along with the suspension of gatherings of 50 or more persons. All citizens in the state of Arkansas are required to stay in their homes until further notice. Turn off all heating and ventilation systems, and lock all possible entrances to your shelter. Gather at least 2 weeks' worth of non-perishable food, bottled water, and medical supplies.
questions. Well, before questions, Chief Keith Humphrey will
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Arkansas Division of Emergency Management in conjunction with the Arkansas Department of Health. COVID-19 is now in the eastern Arkansas region. At approximately 1:45 a.m. Central Daylight Time, 7 positive cases of the virus was confirmed in Crittenden Baptist Memorial Hospital in the city of West Memphis. It is believed that these patients transmitted the virus after coming into contact with others in Baptist Memorial Hospital Memphis that is currently treating 2 cases of COVID-19. It is expected that COVID-19 will become out of control as it is slowly spreading from central Arkansas to its surrounding areas. The Arkansas Department of Health has reported that there are now 400 cases of COVID-19 across the state, and these areas as follows: Arkadelphia, 6 new cases reported; Batesville, 2 new cases reported; Bentonville, 14 new cases reported; Conway, 27 new cases reported; El Dorado, 9 new cases reported; Fayetteville, 41 new cases reported; Fort Smith, 37 new cases reported; Little Rock, 65 new cases reported; Newport, 4 new cases reported; Ozark, 1 new case reported; Pine Bluff, 17 new cases reported; Russellville, 33 new cases reported; Searcy, 10 new cases reported; Texarkana, 23 new cases reported; and West Memphis, 7 new cases reported. This virus has claimed the lives of 103 across the United States, and the death toll is expected to skyrocket in the next 48 to 72 hours. It is expected that the entire eastern Arkansas region will be affected by this virus within the next 24 to 48 hours. Symptoms of this virus include, but are not limited to, coughing, fever, pneumonia, shortness of breath, and sneezing.
Gone without a trace. I don't know, she's never coming back. Do you know what it's like to live with that? No one knows what it's like. The only one who knew